Here's how to cook a vegan dish for 2 people from the green roasting tin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. Follow along. Any questions or comments, please leave in the description below. See you again. 300 grams of sweet potato, peeled and chopped into chunks. Putting that into a lined baking tray. I have my polenta here. I have 150 grams of polenta. Add that. $400 of veg stock. Two tablespoons of olive oil. Season it with plenty of black pepper. Give it a good stir. Mix it all up. Time to pop it into the oven, preheated to 180 degrees centigrade in my fan oven. I'm going to pop it in there for 40 minutes. Alexa, 40-minute timer. Now time to make the dressing. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. Add that to a bowl. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Juice of 1 lemon. Little tip, give it a roll and a press down before you squeeze it. Just makes it easier to juice. Gonna do it over my hands because I don't want any pips to go in there. Finely chop 15 grams of parsley. Add that to the dressing. Give it a stir. Add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir them in. Dressing done. All I need now to do, while that's finishing off in the oven, is get the rest of my veg ready. So I've got 250 grams of chopped cherry tomatoes, 2 grated cloves of garlic, and I've got 250 grams of sliced chestnut mushrooms. Slide them into a bowl, season with salt and pepper. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a mix round, and I just now need to wait for the sweet potatoes and polenta to finish off in the oven. This dish has minimal prep to it. It's from a 1-dish cookbook, the green roasting tin, all using fresh ingredients, fresh vegetables. It's a really cheap meal to make as well. 55 minutes cooking time, 10 minutes prep time, gives you plenty of time to get things ready, put it in the oven, sit down, spend time with your family. 5 minutes left on my polenta and sweet potato before I add my mushroom and tomato, which I need to then finish off for 15 minutes, and it's then done. Time to sit down and relax. 40 minutes done, time to get it out of the oven. Shut it back up. All I need now to do is tip on my mushrooms and tomato mix with the garlic. Make sure it all gets in there, soak up that garlic flavour with the oil from the bottom. pop it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. It's had another 15 minutes in the oven, time to get it out. Looks amazing. Crispy polenta, soft mushrooms, roasted tomatoes and sweet potato. Now it's time to top it with that parsley, olive oil and lemon and chilli dressing we made earlier. Such a simple sauce or dressing, almost a bit of a classic. Lemon, parsley, chilli, garlic, olive oil. And there we have it. Let's see if I can show you how beautiful this looks. Look at the colours. Smells amazing. Time to serve this up with a green salad. And that is a vegan 1 tin dish.